Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and today I wanted to show you Napa Valley Naturals, part of Stonewall Kitchens, organic lemon infused olive oil. I love this so much, I just bought myself more as a treat. I use it to drizzle over salads, of course. I don't cook with it, it can't take super high heat, but I use it a lot in pasta salad, which I make cold for summer, of course. I use it when I make spaghetti with lemon, and I really want to kick up the lemon flavor, especially a lemon cream sauce. Yum. And I do dip bread in it. It goes really good on mozzarella. So it's by Napa Valley Naturals. It's how many fluid ounces? Ooh, 8 fluid ounces. And basically, it's lemon olive oil. It's really good. And Napa Valley Naturals is part of Stonewall Kitchen, who also makes lots of other olive oils and balsamic vinegars too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.